Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. To make it easier for you to use the Coexistence feature, we've updated the process so you can set it up faster. Let me guide you step by step. First, log into the YCloud console and go to the WhatsApp accounts page from the menu. Click Create Channel and select WhatsApp Business App Coexistence on the right, just like before. Scroll down and click I'm ready to start. You'll notice the pop-up looks different. Before, you had to log in with Facebook, but now you can log in directly with WhatsApp Business App. Enter your phone number to log into WhatsApp Business App. Then click Continue. A QR code will appear right away, skipping all those complex forms. Next, open your WhatsApp Business App, find the Facebook Business message, and tap Connect. Then tap Connect to the business platform. A pop-up will ask if you want to share your chat history. Choose your option, then click Confirm and scan the QR code on your screen with your phone. Once scanned successfully, confirm the privacy policy and click Continue. Your WhatsApp Business app will notify you it's connected to YCloud. Tap OK. On the pop-up, set your time zone, enter your website, then click Next to confirm. Wait a few moments until you see the success pop up. That means Coexistence is set up. Finally, you'll see a special icon showing this number is from WhatsApp Business app. That's it for this tutorial. The new Coexistence process is simpler and faster, and I hope it helps you. If you have any issues, feel free to contact YCloud for support. See you next time.